All right. Here we are. Welcome back with another up close detail video series. Here we are with something truly unique, truly different from what you typically see me writing about. Let's move these out of the way. So these are a pair of super cool high top sneakers by the brand Atelier du Tranchet. Forgive my French pronunciation, but not being a native French speaker, I won't nail that every time. This is a brand created by Christophe Corté, who is the brother of Pierre Corté from Corté Shoes. The long story you can hear about in the unboxing video, or the short version of a longer story. And here I just want to show you a pair of his very cool Dragon Fury high top sneakers. He was so kind to send me a pair for an unboxing and an up close detail video. And I just wanted to show you the greatness that these black high top sneakers are. This is a beautiful nubuck, black nubuck. You have a 10 needle embroidery there of a dragon, really cool. You have very high quality vegetable tan lining, and a really solid but sleek rubber sole. It's got the look of a crepe, but it's not a crepe. With a nice sneaker sole. But most important, what I love about these sneakers is that beautiful last. Most sneaker shapes have such a bulbous toe, and this has a nice, elegant last. Looks like a dress shoe last. So really cool stuff. For those of you that like sneakers, this should be right up your alley. It's bold, but it's not crazy bold. And yeah, it just shows you the mind of Christophe. He's got crazy ideas, and then when I say crazy, I mean crazy cool, crazy good. His dress shoes are phenomenal. He's also a bespoke shoemaker and does some amazing work. Anyway, can't wait to get these bad boys on. It's a very nice pair of well-made high top sneakers made out of Portugal and of the utmost quality. If you like sneakers like me, definitely check him out. He's got another model that's even wilder than this. And yeah, thanks as always for tuning in. This is just a quick one, as there's only so much to really show you in a well-made sneaker. But this is it. Thanks as always. Take care. Bye-bye.